Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Sauveur is a charming town in the heart of the Laurentian mountains in Quebec. Just an hour's drive from Montreal, this little gem is a favorite getaway for nature lovers, adventurers, and those looking for a peaceful retreat. Saint-Sauveur is best known for its stunning landscapes and thriving ski culture. In winter, it transforms into a snowy wonderland, home to Summit Saint-Sauveur, one of the top ski resorts in the region. Skiing here has a long history, dating back to the 1920s, when it became a hub for Canadian winter sports. Saint-Sauveur isn't just a winter destination. When the snow melts, it becomes a vibrant spot for hiking, cycling, and enjoying the fresh mountain air. The town is surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills that come alive with color in the fall. The town's charm goes beyond nature. Its main street is lined with quaint shops, cozy cafes, and fine restaurants. Whether you're craving French cuisine or sweet maple treats, there's something to satisfy every palate. Don't miss the historic Saint-Sauveur Church, built in 1905, a beautiful example of eclectic architecture that overlooks the village. Saint-Sauveur has a rich cultural history. It became a popular retreat for Montreal's artistic and social elite in the early 20th century. You might even spot homes and buildings that have stood for over a century, telling stories of the town's vibrant past. Whether you're here for the slopes, the scenery, or the small-town charm, Saint-Sauveur offers a little slice of paradise for everyone.
Bye.